Hello, welcome to my channel. With our last video that we did, which was our apricot chicken curry, we passed 300 videos for our channel. Today we have got another interesting recipe, which is watercress herbs. This herbs is around 4 bunches, and they're very young watercress herbs. So I'm going to show you all how I'm going to make watercress with double beans today. And I'm also going to show you all how I'm going to make some lovely watercress herb salad. So I left this little bit herbs aside for now. My watercress herbs was soaked for about an hour in the salt water, and thereafter I washed out thoroughly. So this is my watercress. My rest of the ingredients are, I'm going to use 1/4 cup of oil. I have 1 onion sliced, 2 tomatoes chopped, and a cup of dubla beans. I've also got 3 garlic that I sliced, and I've got 1 dry chillies that I'll break and use. You can also add in some green chilies if you like, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Firstly, we're going to start off by making off our braised herbs. I've got my stove on medium heat. I'm just going to add in my oil to my pot and allow this to heat up. To my oil, I'm going to add in my onions. I'll allow these onions to fry out. My onions is fried soft. So to my onions, I'm gonna add in my garlic. I'll allow this to also fry. My onions and garlic is fried. This chilies, I will break it into pieces and also allow it to fry. To my onions, I'm going to add in my herbs, and I'm also going to lower my heat. I'll add in my salt and give this a good mix. Because my herbs is young and fresh, so I'm going to add in my dubla to the herbs so they cook together. I'm just going to put my lid on and allow this for about 10 minutes. While my curry is cooking on low heat, I'm going to show you quickly how to make the watercress salad. This I also rinsed and soaked in salt water, just the upper leaves. So to that, I'm going to put in my onion rings. For my salad, I also have 2 garlic sliced, 2 green chilies, half a block of feta, a tablespoon of vinegar. I'm also going to use a tablespoon of mustard oil, a grain of salt and a grain of pepper. I'm going to crumble my feta with my hands. I will quickly rinse my hand and get back. I will mix the salad thoroughly. This salad won't be served with our watercress herbs. The thing is, I'm just showing y'all how watercress herbs is made. So when you have watercress, the very young and soft watercress herbs, so you can make this salad for maybe your mutton curry, chicken curry, or for your biryanis. There you go. Your watercress salad is made, and I'm just going to check on my braise. 10 minutes has passed. As you can see, the herbs has shrunk away, but you can always use more herbs if you like. To this, I'm also going to add in my tomatoes. And allow the tomatoes to cook out for another 10 to 12 minutes. 20 minutes has passed, and to this I also added half cup water to make sure that my dubla get cooked. Now this curry is cooked. We are now cooking just for Pranesh and me, so this curry will serve 2 to 3. I'm going to switch my stove off and we are ready to serve. Here's my 2 dishes that are made with watercress herbs. This watercress or dubla is served with some nice rice and dhal. And the second dish is a fresh watercress salad, which will be served with some other meal. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all enjoy. We'll catch you all with the next recipe.